In today's video, I will teach you how to apply Barbie style makeup to your selfies using AI. Let's get started. Barbie style makeup has become a popular aesthetic, bright, glamorous, feminine, and polished. With AI tools like photo or AI artifacts, you can transform your ordinary selfies into a dreamy Barbie style look in just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser, then go to Photo or AI Artifacts. You don't need advanced photo editing skills, Photo's AI does all the work for you. On the main page, you'll see an option to upload a photo. So click Upload Image and choose the selfie that you want to edit from your computer or phone. And make sure to choose a selfie with clear lighting, visible face that is centered and not heavily shadowed, and high-resolution images produce better AI results. And once your image is loaded, look at the left panel where all the AI effects are displayed. Then scroll down to the Halloween section. Then click on the Barbie option, and Photo will immediately begin processing your image and applying the Barbie style makeup effect. Once the AI finishes processing, go to the bottom right and click the Compare button to toggle between the before and after versions. This helps you see how much the Barbie effect has changed your selfie. And if you're not satisfied, click Regenerate on the effect thumbnail. And each regeneration gives you a slightly different version of the Barbie style result. It usually takes around 10 seconds to generate a new version. Now hover over the Barbie effect thumbnail, then click the star icon. This adds the effect to your favorite section on the left panel. This is useful if you plan to use the Barbie style again in the future. And when you're happy with the result, click Download to save the edited selfie to your device. And here are some tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.